Welcome to Auto Reviews, your go-to source for the latest in automotive and powersports innovation. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2026 Kawasaki KX500 two-stroke. After years of anticipation and rumors, Kawasaki has officially revived the iconic KX500, blending modern technology with raw, two-stroke power. Let's break down what makes this machine one of the most exciting dirt bikes of the decade. A modern classic reborn. The original KX500 was a beast of the motocross world, and the 2026 version stays true to that legacy. Kawasaki has brought back the big bore two-stroke with a 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine that's been completely redesigned for better throttle response, reduced vibration, and improved reliability. This isn't just a retro comeback, it's a complete evolution. Performance and engineering. Built for serious riders, the new KX500 features an all-new electronic power valve system, helping deliver smoother power across the rev range. Combined with a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame and updated suspension components from Kawasaki's KX450F, the KX500 is designed to handle both high-speed desert runs and technical single-track terrain with confidence. Modern tech meets old-school power. While it honors its roots, the 2026 KX500 doesn't shy away from modern touches. Riders will find launch control, selectable engine maps, and a new digital dash for tracking performance metrics. There's also an optional smartphone app for tuning and diagnostics, giving riders the tools to customize the bike's behavior based on terrain and skill level. Final thoughts. The return of the KX500 proves that two-strokes are far from dead. Kawasaki has managed to blend nostalgia with cutting-edge performance, delivering a machine that appeals to both old-school purists and new-generation riders. Whether you're chasing podiums or just looking to dominate the trail, the 2026 Kawasaki KX500 demands your attention. Outro. Stay tuned with Auto Reviews. That wraps up our first look at the 2026 Kawasaki KX500 two-stroke. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full ride review coming soon. Thanks for watching Auto Reviews. We'll see you on the next ride. Let me know if you'd like a longer version or one tailored to a specific audience like motocross racers, trail riders, or collectors.